Good afternoon. I am Stefani, and that day of today I will talk about relevant moments of life. First, my family was destroyed because my mother got bipolar disorders and my father separated of her. Um, okay. This is for where I remember to my mother. Second, when I was pregnant, her. And third, when my mother-in-law died. Goals, short, term goal, train and study every day. Medium term goal, finish my studies. Long term goal, get an excellent job. Buying the house to my father, and for this I had a study, save money to pay semester of the university. I must have a good average, and my nose. So the government finally helping me. I must continue with my English language studies and keep a positive attitude every day. This is going to tell me the desire future studies. I consider that I comply with all the points of the checklist. So it was all for today. Goodbye, teacher. Thank you very much.